Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon D on piano easily. We will break down this beautiful piece into manageable steps, focusing on simplified chords and melodies. You'll discover how to approach the iconic bass line and the memorable right-hand tune, making it accessible for beginners. Get ready to enjoy playing one of the most recognizable classical pieces with confidence and ease. For your left hand, we will focus on the famous repeating bass line. This pattern consists of 8 notes per measure, moving through the D, A, B minor, and G chords. Start by playing just the root notes of each chord, ensuring a consistent and even rhythm. This foundation is crucial for the entire piece, so practice it slowly until it feels natural and steady. Now, let's tackle the right-hand melody. We will simplify it by focusing on the core melodic phrases, often using just 1 or 2 notes at a time. Begin by playing the single notes of the melody, then gradually introduce simple harmonies as you feel more comfortable. Remember to practice each section slowly, ensuring accuracy and smooth transitions between phrases. Bringing both hands together is the next exciting step. Start by practicing each hand separately until they are confident, then combine them at a very slow tempo. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you maintain consistent timing. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. With patience and consistent effort, you will soon be playing Canon D beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.